our special guest today, the Premier of Western Australia, Roger Cook, accompanied by several of his ministers, along with the Chair of Golden Group, Mimi Wong, and the Managing Director of Golden Today, Andrew Sugiaputra, as well as Kusuma of Agung Saduya for the backing, Salamat Pagi. I'd also like to thank members of the Town of Victoria Park, including Mayor Karen Vernon, and Perth Racing for the support of the project and for coming here today. Now, we have all the members of the sod-turning here. There's not a shovel left in Western Australia, I don't think. Each of these individuals have contributed in some way to the realisation of this city-defining project, which will be WA's biggest urban development project. I'm sure you'll agree it's a spectacular location, so close to the river, just a stone's throw from the Belmont Park racetrack as well. This project will completely transform this area. There are plans for 4,500 residences, shops, a hotel, waterfront restaurants, a lagoon beach, boardwalks and playgrounds for all of the people of Perth to come and enjoy. Now, the sod-turning marks the official start of construction of the first residences. We're standing on the spot where the first apartment building, Somerset East, will be built. To my right, construction of the luxury river homes will commence early next year. I'm sure everybody is looking forward to seeing this take shape. I'd now like to invite our special guests to take their shovels. We all got them. It's like musical chairs.
Should I remove that shovel? How's this going to work, Matt?
On the count of three.
Just holding him like that. Everyone looking here. Ready?
1, 2.
Hang on.
You got it? 1, 2, 3. That was the practice.
Start your shovels.
Start your shovels. Get ready, set, go! Thank you.
Thank you very much, everyone. Salamapaki. Thank you very much for coming here to the Burswood Point development. I'm here with Treasurer Rita Saffioti and Housing Minister John Carey. We've got local member Hannah Beazley. The federal member for Perth, Patrick Gorman, is representing the federal government here today. And of course, we've got Andrew Sugiaputra from the Managing Director of Golden Group. Getting more Western Australians into homes is a top priority for my government. Today we're celebrating a golden opportunity given to us by Golden Group to develop 4,500 new homes as the first stage of the Burswood Point development. What you are seeing here is a joint venture between Golden Group and their Indonesian partners to really bring this whole precinct alive. I was born and bred in Western Australia. I've never set foot in this part of Western Australia before. No one could access it, and soon it will become a vibrant community. Stage one will see both freestanding and apartments developed, freestanding homes and apartments developed. Ultimately, we'll see hotels, cafes, restaurants, this whole area brought alive. We're also, my government is supporting this particular project, first of all through a $2 million infrastructure development fund contribution, but also for making sure that this area is connected by great transport corridors, including a pedestrian bridge. We expect the residents here to benefit from the great amenity. They've got the Swan River on one side. They have an bird's eye view of Belmont Racing on the other side, and what we will see is 203 apartments, 67 freestanding homes, bringing as the first stage of bringing this whole precinct alive. Importantly, 5% of these homes will be set aside for affordable key worker and NDIS based housing, and we're delivering, and this is all part of our $3.2 billion investment in housing. It will take all sorts of housing options to make sure that we continue to address the housing challenges of Western Australia. We have the fastest growing economy in this nation. We are the fastest growing population in the nation. So these sort of developments are an integral part of making sure we still have places for people to live, for the workforce to bring their families and to enjoy and grow in this great community of Western Australia. I'm so excited to be here with Golden Group today and their Indonesian partners. We are really excited to see this project now step forward as part of the sod-turning project, and we will now see great homes built on the river in a way which we've never seen before. I now hand you over to the Treasurer.
Look, thank you. As both as Treasurer and of course as Minister for Tourism, this is a very exciting development. This part of the city has not been activated for decades, and a deal was done, a transaction was done between the Belmont Park Racecourse and the Golden Group over about 10 years ago, in which this land was sold to the Golden Group for development. This will create very much a multi-use precinct with the races, of course, plus this incredible new housing and tourism precinct. A big part of this area is about beautifying and making sure we have more places for tourists to come, and also potentially new hotels in the region. This is all about making sure we continually invest in the state, creating development opportunities. This is billions of dollars of investment. This will be hundreds, if not thousands of workers developing these new buildings, contributing to the local economy. Golden Group owns a lot of land around the state, whether it be some of the affordable housing down near Byford, other projects like this. It is a welcome addition to the city, and as the Premier outlined, its proximity to existing transport infrastructure, like the stadium station for example, will help move people easily around this area. This will completely transform the area, as I said, create many jobs, new investment and new tourism potential for the state too. Thank you.
As we know, Western Australia, like every other state, is facing unprecedented housing challenges, and perhaps more so because of our booming economy and huge population growth. This is big, bold and exciting. Up to 4,500 homes in high density living close to the city. This is what we want to see, and this is, do not underestimate how important this project is for Perth's housing supply. Up to 4,500 homes in that critical high density living. We need all housing that we can get across the market, and this is delivering a key vision for Perth. High density living, up to 4,500 homes in a vibrant precinct right in the heart of Perth and close to public transport.
This is wonderful for the inner city of Perth. This means more homes right here on Burswood Point. It also means the opportunity for so many more people who are maybe looking to downsize as they get into the later years of their life. That's a great opportunity for people in our city who wants to find a new home, a new place for the next stage of their life. 4,500 homes, plus the jobs that are created through this, makes a huge difference to our community. It's homes, it's jobs, it's a great project. I want to congratulate the Golden Group, here for 28 years in Western Australia, West Australian business. They've been part of building some 11,000 homes in Western Australia, and this is the next stage. It's great for our state. Over to Andrew Sukaputra.
We're thrilled to announce major milestone for Burswood Point with the commencement of the subdivision works for North Precinct, creating 67 green title lots and 3 apartment super lots. In addition, I'm excited to share that the construction for the houses and Somerset apartment towers will commence in Q1 2025 without any pre-sales requirements, which means that the first residents are anticipated to move into Burswood Point in late 2026. For more information, please visit our sales office. We're open Wednesday through Sunday, or visit our website burswoodpoint.com.au. Thank you very much, and I look forward to welcome you all to Burswood Point. We are currently in the market, but we are not subject to any financial targets before we commence the constructions of Somerset apartments nor the houses as well. The builders will be announced shortly, but I can confirm that the builders for the houses are JAV Custom Homes and CU Building Group. Pre-sales has been strong. We've achieved more than $140 million of sales. We have 1,000 inquiries on a monthly basis, so the interest has been very strong, and we look forward to delivering more housing for this state. We don't anticipate any problems. We have got a very strong team, a very capable team in being able to deliver our vision with a strong financial backings of our partners as well from the Agung Sedayu Group. And also the technical expertise to complete this project. I think the state government has been very helpful along with the town of Victoria Park. The infrastructure funds has definitely assisted developers such as Golden Group as well as others in ensuring that output and housing supplies target can be met. So it's been very important, but I would like to thank the state government, the town of Victoria Park, and also all of the state departments in working collaboratively with us throughout the years in delivering the project to the stage that we are at now. Thank you very much.